AI automation is one of the easiest ways to earn money online in 2025, and the best part is that once you set it up, it can work for you even while you sleep. Today I'll show you how simple automations can save businesses hours of work, and how you can get paid for creating them even if you're a complete beginner. So first, what is AI automation? It's simply using tools to perform tasks automatically. Think of things like replying to customer messages, organizing leads, updating sheets, sending emails, or posting content. Instead of a person doing these tasks one by one, AI does them instantly in the background. You set the system once, and it works 24 hours a day. Now why does this side hustle pay so well? Because most business owners don't know how to automate anything. They are busy running their shop, salon, gym, agency, or online store. They get messages all day and struggle to keep up. When you build an automation that saves them time, they are happy to pay for it. You only need 3 tools to start. Zapier, which connects apps together. Make.com, which builds advanced workflows. And ChatGPT, which generates replies, emails, captions, and more. All 3 have free plans, so you can start with zero cost. Let's look at simple automations you can offer. Example 1, Automatic Customer Replies. Businesses receive questions on Instagram or email all the time. You can create a system that checks the message, sends it to ChatGPT, and delivers a friendly reply instantly. This alone can save hours every week. Example 2, Lead Collection. Real estate agents, coaches, gyms, and service providers need organized leads. You can create a workflow where a form submission goes into a spreadsheet, then ChatGPT writes a confirmation email, and the owner gets a notification. Quick to set up and very useful. Example 3, Automated Social Media Posting. Many businesses want to post daily but don't have time. You can automate captions, hashtags, and scheduled posts using AI. This can turn into monthly recurring income. So how much can you earn? Beginners usually charge $50 to $100 for a basic automation, and $150 to $300 for advanced ones. If you offer monthly maintenance, you can earn ongoing income from the same clients. Where do you find clients? You can start with Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups, LinkedIn, or local small businesses. A simple message like, "Hi, I help businesses automate tasks using AI and save hours every week. Want me to make a free demo for you?" works surprisingly well. To scale your earnings, create a few automation templates and reuse them for different industries. The more systems you offer, the faster your income grows. AI automation is one of the smartest side hustles of 2025. No tech skills needed, no investment required, and the demand is growing every month. If you start today, your first paying client might be closer than you think.